So there's two basic ideas about user proofing or error proofing your programs. And I'm not giving these to you as an either or situation. Instead, what I'm going to do is tell you that you need to use both. And by using both, you can make really robust programs. So the first one, the first type of error proofing or user proofing is when you're asking, how can I prevent errors before they happen? This is called look before you leap. In look before you leap error handling, you are just trying to avoid the error in the first place by anticipating things that could go badly. The good news is we've already been doing quite a bit of this. Maybe you've already had that occur to you as I'm talking about this. We've already been doing coding to prevent errors before they happen. Can someone give me an example of a look before you leap kind of operation that we've done already in this class? Yeah. Comments help, but they don't prevent errors. Always do comments for sure. What's something that we've done to check to see if we're to make sure we're not going to get an error? Yes. Yes, that's perfect. In the ATM machine, making sure that the user, when we're asking them how much to deposit, that they type numbers. So it's like checking to see if it's an appropriate kind of data, right? That's a great example of look before you leap. So we're doing things to prevent problems before they happen. Here's an example of almost exactly what you just mentioned here. So now the key piece of this, the look before you leap, is happening right here. In this, we've got a while loop. We've got the user inputting a number. Notice I'm not converting it here on this line. I'm taking that string and I'm doing some checking first. I'm saying, is that actually numeric? So it would have to be an integer. And then I'm saying int number equals int str number. So that is where I'm converting it. The rest of this isn't necessarily part of the look before you leap. This is really where you look before you leap. It's sort of like looking both ways before you cross the street, right? You're checking to make sure it's safe, and then you're crossing the street. So that is look before you leap, right? Pretty simple, pretty straightforward, something we've already been doing.